Ever have one of those random meetings? You know, the ones that just stick in your mind?
Oh, definitely. Almost like something out of a story.
Exactly. And we've actually got one here. It's called The Stranger on the Train.
Ah, intriguing title.
It is. So today we're doing a deep dive. We want to pull out some really useful travel vocabulary from that story.
And maybe test ourselves a bit afterwards.
Got it. A quick quiz to help make those words feel, well, natural for you listening.
Sounds good. So this story, The Stranger on the Train, what's the basic setup?
Right. So it's about Emma. She's on a train, pretty normal stuff, and she meets this elderly woman.
Okay, a simple encounter? But these everyday situations, they're often gold mines for learning English, aren't they?
Totally.
Yeah.
Especially words about travel, connecting with people, things like that.
Perfect. Let's get into it then. What's the first word?
Okay, first up is encounter. So in the story, Emma has this encounter with the woman.
Right. An unexpected meeting. That's the core idea.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you might say, I had a really interesting encounter at the coffee shop this morning.
Some encounters are brief. Others, they stick with you.
Definitely. So the woman she meets is described as elderly.
Elderly. Okay, so that just means an older person.
Pretty much. It's often seen as a slightly more, maybe gentle or respectful term than just old.
Yeah, like the elderly gentleman shared fascinating stories. It has a nice ring to it.
It does. Now, when this elderly woman starts talking to Emma, Emma is startled.
Ah, startled, meaning like suddenly surprised, jumped a bit.
Exactly. You know, like when a door slams shut unexpectedly. That feeling.
Got it. You get startled by a loud noise, or maybe
Yeah.
someone appearing suddenly.
Okay, moving on. The woman shows Emma a photograph, and it's described as faded.
Faded, so lost color over time. Like it's been sitting in the sun or it's just really old.
Precisely. Think of those old family pictures. The colors aren't as bright anymore. They're faded.
Right, right. I know the look. Then what happens?
Well, the woman gives Emma an envelope, and it's sealed.
Sealed. Okay, so closed up tight. You can't just peek inside.
Exactly. You'd have to, break the seal to open it. Adds a bit of mystery.
It really does. Makes you wonder what's hidden in there.
And the way the address is written on this sealed envelope, it's described as elegant.
Ooh, elegant. So, like, beautifully stylish, fancy handwriting.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. Refined, graceful, not just handwriting, maybe elegant clothes, elegant design.
I see. It suggests quality, maybe a bit of class.
Right. So after they talk, the woman suddenly disappears into the crowd. 2 words there.
Okay, disappears, vanishes, just gone from sight.
Yep, like a magic trick almost. Poof.
And crowd, well, that's straightforward.
Yeah.
A large group of people.
Like at a busy station or a concert, easy to get lost in a crowd.
Very easy.
Okay.
Well, when they chat, the elderly woman whispers something.
Whispers. Speaks really, really softly, right?
Exactly. Like telling a secret. You lean in close.
Not meant for everyone to hear.
Right. And this whole encounter leaves Emma thinking about destiny. Ah, destiny. That's a big one. The idea that your future is sort of predetermined, fated.
Yeah, exactly. Like meeting this woman, was it just chance or was it destiny? It sparks that question.
It's a powerful feeling, that sense of destiny. Makes you really think about connections.
It really does. Okay, so those are our words. How about we quickly run through them for practice? Just repeat the word and the short definition after us.
Good idea. Ready? Let's go. Encounter.
Unexpected meeting.
Elderly.
Older person.
Startled.
Suddenly surprised.
Faded.
Lost color over time.
Sealed.
Closed securely.
Elegant.
Beautifully stylish.
Disappeared.
Vanishes from sight.
Crowd.
Large group of people.
Whispers.
Speaks very softly. Predetermined future. Excellent. Okay, feeling good about those. Let's do a really quick quiz based on the story, The Stranger on the Train. Just quick answers.
Let's do it. Fire away.
All right. First one. Where did this story take place?
On a train.
Correct. Who approached Emma?
That was the elderly woman.
Yep. How did this woman know Emma's grandmother?
Ah, they were best friends, right? In Paris.
You got it. What did the woman give Emma?
A sealed envelope.
Perfect. What does faded mean again?
Lost color over time.
Nice. Why couldn't Emma follow the woman at the end?
Because she, disappeared into the crowd.
Exactly. What does the word elegant describe in the story?
The handwriting on that envelope.
Spot on. And finally, what kind of feeling did this whole encounter create for Emma?
A sense of mystery and curiosity about destiny.
Fantastic. You nailed it. So, wrapping up this deep dive, you've hopefully picked up some really useful English vocabulary.
Yeah, words like encounter, elderly, startled, faded, sealed, elegant, disappears, crowd, whispers, and destiny. All from that one story.
And it really makes you think, doesn't it, about those little moments, those brief encounters we have, maybe while traveling or just day to day.
Absolutely. How many of those seemingly small interactions might actually hold, well, a bit more meaning, maybe even a touch of destiny?
It's a great thought. Paying attention to the language around these moments can definitely deepen the experience.
For sure. So keep an ear out for these words
Mm.
and join us next time for more.